Welcome back, my internet family. Big Super is out on the roadway here, out in East Prospect, and we're looking at a situation that happened a few days ago, right in this vicinity here, where it was a heavy flooding, and we just looking at what caused all of this flooding right down here. And we see where the authorities them come and them clean out the drain. And then make a hole in the sidewalk now so that the water can run over. If you can look and see it, then lick out one of the block there, so the water can run over, and by running over it can go down in that section. I can't really see behind it here, and go underneath the road and cross over to the other side. But me just looking at me say, why this section of the road it flood out is because all of these places need to bush out and clean out so that the water can run more freer. You understand what I say? And if they not bush it out and clean it out soon and very soon, then we'll be coming here in this section again for another flooding. So this area need to bush out, and I guess it need to be on a regular clean out. So at the moment we are entering like a little dry season now, and maybe now is the best time for really to get it done properly. So right here is where them take the tractor and they make a trench off the road. They make a trench off the road, you see it? To carry the water back to the gully, which is a kind of short-term thing, but it's a very relevant thing them do, because the whole of this vicinity here a few days ago, right in the vicinity where you see I'm standing, was totally flooded out, water high up to my knee. So we just look how we cause some of the things then. So the drainage need to bush out, and they don't really bush it out, but them clear, take out one of the sidewalk thing over that side so the water can go over into the drain. But me I get to realize now that the water are coming so much of a magnitude down this grade that it don't seem like it can go underground to reach to the next side of the road. So that's why you see the tractor make that driveway down there, dig out that trench to carry the water faster and quicker to the drain, to the gully. But I can't really go underneath there to look, but me get the impression that that underground culvert must be blocked. Yeah, because nobody cleaning that underground culvert. A lot of debris might come down in it, and maybe the underground culvert block. So now them have to take the water above the road to reach to the gully. So here we are at the gully, and we're looking. Let's see if I can zoom it in and make you see the culvert, and if you can see the underground culvert. This side don't seem to be blocked. It don't seem to be blocking on my viewers and subscribers, but I don't know what taking place underneath that culvert there. Really and truly don't know what taking place there. So my viewers and subscribers, we're just looking at a situation here out in East Prospect where the road was flooded a few days ago. Water high up to my knee. You couldn't pass in the vicinity here. And it's because, basically it's because the place no bush out, the place no clean out. And I remember them used to have a program, you know, would go around. They used to clean out gullies and drain, especially before the stormy season. I don't know, my viewers and subscribers, you guys might relate it to me. But especially before the stormy season, you used to have this program where the government used to embark on, where you try to clean out all of the gullies and all of the drains them before the stormy season. I don't hear nobody talk about that program again, but that thing is a very important thing because you can't wait till you have a weather season before you start clean. So we're kind of there at the mouth, at the other side of the road, and we're there at the mouth of the gully. And as you can look, a pear bush, my viewers and subscribers. So no cleaning, obvious. The bush them higher than me. It's obvious that them place are not clean out for months and days and maybe years. So when the water come down in this ditch here, because the water will come down fast now, because a lot of construction will take place up in the hillside, so you know the water come down faster. The drain not really expand any bigger, same size drain, so you're going to end up with problem and more problem. So my viewers and sub, Big Super is out in East Prospect, looking at the roadway, looking at the road condition, and just looking at where the flooding did take place. After the flooding, we're just looking at after the flooding, and you guys can make me pull up the comment section and let me know if you think there will be another flooding here based up off of what take place, based up off of the one block where they move out of the side of the sidewalk there, so, and the trench that when the water now come down and come over the road, them have a trench now to carry the water straight to the gully. I think that is very good, temporary. But I think them going to go underground and see if them can clean out. Because you see the trench here again, coming up to the trench. See if them can go underground and clean out the underground culvert that the water can travel under the ground faster. That it don't have to come up on the road and cause any trouble. For now, it's Big Super out in East Prospect, just taking a look at a situation and hope that it never occurs. Remember to like, share my viewers and sub. Remember to subscribe. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. Remember to watch out the ads. Watch my ads there, my viewers. If you can't watch the two ads, then watch one. Big Super out in East Prospect. Thank you. Peace out.